Welcome to Agrotech channel. In this video, I will show you how to partition hard disk without formatting in Windows PC. Partitioning a hard disk is a process of separating a physical hard disk into several independent drive partitions. With a hard disk partitioned, you can organize your data on every partition much more precisely, such as one for your operating system, one for your personal data, and so on. If you want to run two different operating systems on one computer, having several separate partitions is necessary since every operating system needs an independent partition. Having different partitions for OS and other personal data, you can keep your personal files safe and minimize the data loss when the operating system crashes and needs a reinstallation. Now let's get started with partitioning hard disk without formatting via disk management. Open the disk management by typing disk management in search box. Or you can do these by right-clicking this PC, then click Manage, then go to Storage, then select Disk Management. Now select a partition you want to shrink and choose Shrink Volume. In this pop-out window, you can know the total size before shrink, and available unused space you can shrink for a new partition. You can save the default shrink size and directly hit Shrink. Or you can specify the size of the eventual partition by inputting it in megabytes in the respective field. Let's say we'll create a separate 100 GB partition. Take note that there's 39 GB that's unallocated space here. So we need to add 61 GB to make it 100 GB. So here I will input 62,000 MB. Then click Shrink to proceed. Now we got 99.61 GB unallocated. It's almost 100 GB. Let's accept it and complete the partition. Right-click the unallocated space and select New Simple Volume from the resulting menu, then click Next to select the default option, click Next again, then click Finish to proceed. Now we have new partition which is almost 100 GB with a drive name of E. To create more partitions on the hard disk, you can repeat the shrink and create procedure. Apart from using Windows Disk Management, you can also use a third-party disk partition manager like AOME Partition Assistant Professional, but I will not discuss in this demo. This covers how to partition hard disk without formatting the entire disk. If you have a question to ask, leave it in the comments below and I'll do my best to answer it. If you found this tutorial is helpful, please give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe on our YouTube channel. Thank you very much for watching and have a great day.